What's up, everybody? Tip of the day. Don't mind all the mess up there. We're doing a little bit of construction, but this is what I brought you here for. If you guys are building something like a square or something that's repetition, you got to do this. Check this out. So in order to make it work faster for you, and that way you won't have to be pulling measurements every time, you got to make a jig like this. See this right here? See the other side? This is how this works. You put your pieces in there, just like that. So you put them in there, just like that. There you go. And then once you get to this point, you do this. You put that on there. So you come over to the other side. You put that one on there. And there you go. You get your measurement every single time. Never fails. Inside measurement 2.5, 3 3/4, 3 3/4, 3 3/4, every single time. And I know there's some of you guys are gonna ask, hey, why is this short? How come how come it's not going all the way across the table? The reason why I did that is because when I'm done and I have the table full of pickets, all I gotta do is just turn this sideways, and it's small enough to fit in between my frame, and I could just pull it out. And it's just that simple. And they all come out looking just like that every time. All the pickets are nice and lined. You see that? Tip of the day, guys.